this video just in time. How about I was just about to try on my SHEIN Loungewear pieces that I just got in the mail. Girl, come on in, get comfortable, have a seat. You want something to drink? I done bought drunk all mine, but I don't mind fixing mine. It's roller season. Winter and a fall and a summer, and I ain't going nowhere. They won't get me, but that don't mean I gotta be looking busted because I'm staying home. So I decided to get a few nice little pieces that I can wear in the house. Hashtag stay ass home. We gonna be a little minute now, and then once I finish trying on all my pieces, we gonna go on over to Yosha's. Miss Exclusive Fold. You know who I'm talking about. Girl, she got some loungewear pieces as well. So we're going to go show some love right after we finish watching this video. Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. I purchased everything in the size. My measurements will be display right here on the screen, boo, for your assistant. To be honest with you, boo, I done waited a little minute for my package because I remember getting an email saying that it was a slight delay. SHEIN always got some type of issues when it comes to that shipping with my experience. Let me just go ahead and try on the first piece. Stay tuned. Okay, so here's lounge piece number one. This is a two-piece set, and it is a little crop. It does have some buttons here, and it also has some buttons here, but they just for show. They not functional, boo. I would call this tie-dye. I believe they had other options as far as colors. Very stretchy. I probably could have sized that. Very comfortable. And I'm surprised that this ain't that sheer that a lot of them SHEIN items be like. This is like that really nice cotton material. I love items like this to just throw on when I get out the shower. Keep it cute. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. So this next two-piece set is very similar to the one prior. This one just has the stripy details. It has those same faux buttons, boo. They don't work. They just there for show. Again, it has a whole lot of stretch here. Could have sized down, but for comfortable measures, because that's what we doing. We trying to be comfy. I am glad that I went with the XL. They aren't eating up my ass. They had a nice, comfortable lip. They not, you know, being greedy. This don't have no adjustable strap. Really cute. Just comfortable. Okay, so I'm gonna call this one Snap Crackle Pop. And why? Because I had to bust some seams to get up in here. Look at what's going on right now with my thighs. Can you see my thighs are screaming as I walk? Do you hear that? I'm just busting all type of seams as I'm walking. This has adjuster here, but it does not work. So again, sis, it's just for show. This is definitely that type of material that's gonna show all your lumps and bumps, all your imperfections. But sis, guess what? You at home. So who gives a I kind of feel like the crop is a little bit too short almost. If I put my arms up, I don't know, it's just on the borderline of being kind of small. The length for my arms, I mean, I guess they okay because I'm in the house, but honey, if I was out, I wouldn't really like that. It is that slingy material, as you can see. And as you can see, look. So the strains coming all out. Okay, sis, we're going to call this one Barely Made It. Especially when it comes to the top. It's real cute, don't get me wrong. I don't like to feel like I'm wearing something that I should be going out in. And what I'm trying to get at is that it's not as comfy. Now what I do like is the length. Sister, you see that? Your girl is a part of the team Stallions, boo. I don't even want to lift up my shirt because all this will be out. I really like this because of the back. I don't like nobody here to scrap it up for me, but I'm going to insert a picture of how the scrappy details is. That's real cute, boo. Ain't this cute? It is one of those pieces that's gonna show if you had something to eat, if you had too many meals, if you just finished eating, it probably can show what you just finished eating. This is also ribbed. I don't know if you knew, sis, but when you wear rib kind of hides and fades the lumps and bumps. That's just my experience. Maybe not yours. So I love getting things that are ribbed. This has like a little cinch in the arms, one of them type of pieces that I imagine that sis would want to go put on for the Netflix and chill night. You know, that's what they call it, but we all know what happens at Netflix and chill. TV be watching you. Y'all done been there, we know. Between this light and this long sleeve stuff, sis, your girl is burning up. By the end of this video, I'm sure I'll be about 2, 3, 4 pounds lighter. Let me go ahead to the next act. Okay, so this next one, I'm gonna call it Kisses. It has all of the lip prints. Oh, it actually say Kisses on it. And it comes in this blue and red color. I love that it has the silky like material. It does have the adjusters here on the straps. This is a little bit too tight for my liking, but the material feels so good. Girl, it feels so nice and smooth. I wish you could feel it yourself. This is definitely like one of those little, you know. I don't know if I got the biggest size in this, but I would definitely size up. Speaking of silk, here's another outfit that's real silky. So this silky type of stuff just looks more like the stuff is a little bit more expensive. Honey, this is definitely too small. I'm gonna make sure I put a picture here of how it's supposed to go. I couldn't even get past my knee. Hit my knee, that was bad. It wasn't giving me no more. And you know, when it comes to the silky material, there is no stretch. This top does have the adjusters, but just a little bit too small for me. Okay, so for some reason, these shorts did not include the tag. And I spent about 5 to 10 minutes trying to figure out which way was the right way. So this one has like these cinch here. So if you want to, you know, have it all up, you can most definitely do that. If no, you want to keep it a little bit more classy, like, you know how some people do. You know, you can bring that down and you don't even have to use it. You don't really have to. It's not a necessity, boo, but it's there for your discretion. Here in the front, it also has this little cinch thing, but as you can see, like, honey, I'm part of the itty bitty titty gang and I'm barely staying in this shirt. If I lift my arms up, everything will be all light. But it's real cute, just a little too small. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. It does have like a little V-neck here. I really like that. It is not see-through. It's that cotton material, but it's thick, on the thicker side. Like, SHEIN is really surprising me with the quality of these loungewear pieces, especially for the price. Because everything was really inexpensive. Now, here's another piece that was unsuccessful. Y'all know I gotta come through with the leopard print, and I saw this. I thought it was real cute. When it comes to that little silky material, I don't know what it was with me and this silk this time around. Oh, it hardly has any give. Big thigh girls, this is not for us unless you size up a lot, because there's no give. And then this top was really cropped. I don't know if it really looked as cropped on the picture. So it has an adjustable strap. It's a 2-piece set. Has the little leopard print details. Thought it was cute, but sis, I couldn't get in. Okay, so here's the next set. Very comfortable. It has the real material, elastic band in the waist. Not really much to it, but it has the spaghetti strap. But this one doesn't have any adjusters, so they're gonna be hanging all the way down to the ground. It is so comfortable. I really love it. But it got a little something going on at the end just to add a little oomph. And it got this little bow here. But I really like it. Comfortable, cropped, loose, stretchy. I love it.
This a long haul, y'all. I had to go get a snack. And I wonder why I can't lose my weight.
Okay, so this is the next 2-piece set. I really love wine on my melanin skin. So wine for me. This set is very stretchy, very comfortable. It's 2-piece, as you can see. I really don't have anything negative to say about this. It's one of those pieces that's gonna show everything. This is what I think about when I think about comfort in the house. As you can see, it's not as lengthy. I don't think that it's really supposed to go all the way down. I think it's supposed to be that way. I mean, if you short, of course it's gonna go longer on you. I really can't think of anything negative to say about this particular set. Probably one of my favorite ones, just when it comes to comfort. Okay, so this one here is like a little house dress, but with a little bit more spice to it. Because I don't know about y'all, but when I think of house dress, I think about them big shirts, a real loose fit, real granny-ish. This actually look like you can wear this somewhere. I ain't gonna even lie. It has these buttons here. They do not work. They're just for show, but they're cute. This is a little tight. I'm tall, so, you know, it's pretty short. You bend over, you cleaning up, and you doing something. Your whole business is gonna be aired out, but you in the house. I ain't gonna lie, sis, this really gives me like go to the grocery store, run to the gas station right quick type of loungewear piece. It does have the real material. It's not sheer at all, boo. At all. I think what I really like is the neck, the square neckline. It's real cute. A lot of stretch. And even for it to be shorts, it's not real tight on my thigh. To have a transformation piece is everything. I mean, I'm home, but let's say I gotta run somewhere right quick. I ain't even gotta change. Just grab a purse and just haul ass. That's what type of piece this is. A versatility piece, boo. Shein is really coming through. I spoke too soon, sis. I spoke too soon. This one here is definitely sheer-like. Very real sheerish. Is that even a word? I feel like I be creating my own words every video. But this one here look like something that my daughter could wear. Like, it just runs too small. I won't even turn around because it don't even go all the way up. You can't even make out that it has like little ruffles here. Honey, I feel real smushed up, caved in, crumbly stuff, suffocated. How else can I explain it? It's cute, but the size just wasn't working for, sus. I realized that when I said what I said about Shein was on the roll, I just jinxed my whole rest of the order probably. But these shorts is definitely making that noise that that other outfit I wore, I put it here, was making. Yeah, like that snap, crackle, pop type of sound. Yeah, that's what I got out of these pins. They real. You hear that? You hear that? Talking about having to bust in some stuff, busting seams. And around here, it goes down with busting seams. It says very sweet. That's what I've been told. That's what I've been told. I'm just the messenger. Just the messenger. Sis, why don't you just let me say very sweet when the says very sleepy? Why you ain't tell me? You just let me look like a whole fool. I carried on and talk about how sweet I've been told I am and all that, and then I goes back and look at the clip and I'm like, sis, what the hell are you talking about? The bottom here has strawberries. It's really cute, sis. I just feel like after I wash it maybe once or twice, I'm gonna have to pass it down to my daughter because it just looks like it's gonna shrink up some. But it does have an elastic band, and like I said, if you have big thighs, you will have to bust this in order to get into it. Other than that, pretty comfy. This material though is that China-based material. You know how that stuff be coming all silky and shiny, that shiny, that's what type of material this is. Okay, so for you ones who living in areas like Florida, but we don't really see but one season, but here and there, we get maybe a day or two or a few hours of a little cold weather. This is perfect for that. I'm cold, but I ain't that cold. Yeah, it's giving them type of vibe. It has like the trimming here, it's a beige color. It's real, very scratchy. It has the same trimming at the bottom of the shorts as well. It's cute. Definitely comfy. Like, sus, if you had heard that crackling that went on for me to get up in this, your girl could have had made her own beat. The type of noises this thing was making. And I mean, it was just a but it's cute. Don't get me wrong, it's cute. It's different. I necessarily wouldn't wear this all the time. You know, they be like, oh, I like to be cute when I go to sleep. Honey, here it is right here. It's not very comfy, in my opinion. This is one of the ones that you throw on when you know he coming through. It is scratchy. It is ribbed. It also has the little, I don't know what the hell you call that, but the little designs at the bottom of the shorts too, but you can't really see it because they're stretched to the maximum capacity. So So you can't really appreciate the curvatures that this piece is serving because my thighs is being real disrespectful right now. Okay, so this is close to normal for me when it comes to around the house, lounging. This is cute. This is like girls' night, what pajamas there type of piece. So can you see the cinch? I believe it's supposed to be longer, but of course, when you got long legs, most things that's supposed to be long don't be as long as it's supposed to be. Does that make any sense? This is that type of material that blankets be. Really cozy. I love this one. Honey, when I say that I am staying my home, when I am saying Rona won't get me, I ain't going nowhere. When I say that I take a bath to put back on my pajamas, this is what your girl is talking about. Long tee with nothing under it, just free. It says, this girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. It's comfy. The material is so nice and smooth. It kind of looks like a dress. It's not too tight. It's breathable. It's stretchy. It's cute. Girl, we done finally made it to the end of the road, boo. I really appreciate you if you stuck it out and made it to the end. If you did, drop the sleepy emoji. Something that's related to sleep time. If you love house, binge me, boo. I got a whole playlist full of house. It's coming out. You can click that and it'll take you to more. It don't gotta end here. Let me know which piece was your favorite. If you appreciated my energy, I want you to subscribe. Stick around. It's free 99, boo. If you prefer the hauls, this setup, let me know. I was trying something different. Thank you so very much for taking the time out to watch my video. Until next time, later.